In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert a table in Mailchimp the easy way using a simple HTML table generator and the Mailchimp code block. This is a super useful trick if you want to organize information neatly inside your email, like pricing, schedules, product lists, or comparison charts, without building everything manually from scratch. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Mailchimp tutorials and email marketing tips. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Mailchimp and sign into your account. Once you're inside, go to the email editor for the campaign where you want to add your table. This could be a draft email, a newsletter, or any message you're currently building. Now, on the left-hand side, look for the code content block. This is the part you want to drag and drop into your email layout exactly where you want the table to appear. After placing the code block in the right spot, open a new tab in your browser and go to www.htmltables.io. This website makes it very easy to generate clean HTML table code without needing to write it yourself. On the site, choose how many rows and columns you want in your table. As soon as you set that up, the tool will automatically generate the HTML code for you. Take a moment to make sure the table structure matches what you need, whether that's a simple 2-column layout or a more detailed multi-row table. Once the code is generated, copy the full HTML code, then go back to Mailchimp and paste that code into the code section of the block you added earlier. After you paste it, Mailchimp will render the table inside your email design. From there, you can edit the header text, update the table content, and make any changes you want directly in the HTML code or by regenerating a new table if needed. This is especially helpful if you want to customize labels, update data, or create a cleaner layout for your subscribers. One important tip is to preview your email after adding the table so you can make sure it looks good on desktop and mobile. Tables can sometimes display differently depending on the email client, so always test before sending. And that's it, you successfully inserted a table into Mailchimp using HTML code. It's fast, flexible, and perfect for creating more professional-looking emails. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the next tutorial for more Mailchimp shortcuts and email design tips.